If you're looking to roll over your 401k into an IRA, you're not alone. Many retirees, especially those with substantial savings, find that transferring their 401k into an IRA can open up a world of possibilities to better manage their retirement funds. So, what exactly are the benefits of rolling over your 401k into an IRA, and why should you consider this move for your retirement strategy? Stick around to find out why this could be the key to a more secure and flexible financial future. Before we dive into all the details, if you're serious about protecting your wealth, especially with the uncertainty that lies ahead, make sure to check out the first link in the description below. Thousands of Americans are protecting their savings with gold IRAs, and the free guide we've put together can help you make an informed decision about this option. If you've got 100K or more in your 401k or IRA, or even if you've got $5 million in savings, this guide is perfect for you. So, let's get back to the key benefits of rolling over your 401k into an IRA. One of the biggest advantages is the broader range of investment options available with an IRA compared to a 401k. With most 401ks, you're limited to a small selection of mutual funds. While some funds may perform well, others might not, and the lack of options can leave you stuck with lower returns. When you roll over into an IRA, you gain access to individual stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and even precious metals like gold, which can provide stability during times of economic uncertainty. Speaking of gold, this is where a gold IRA really stands out. While traditional IRAs are versatile, they don't offer the opportunity to hold precious metals directly within the account. If you're looking to hedge against inflation or protect against market volatility, a gold IRA is an ideal solution. The precious metal has long been considered a store of value, and it's an excellent option to diversify your portfolio. If this sounds interesting to you, don't forget to grab your free gold IRA guide in the description. It's a resource that could transform how you think about your retirement security. Another reason to roll over your 401k into an IRA is the potential for lower fees. 401k plans often come with administrative costs, record-keeping fees, and other expenses that can eat into your returns. When you roll over to an IRA, especially one with a reputable custodian, you have more control over the fees you're paying. This can result in more of your money staying in your account to grow over time. Flexibility is another key factor. When you leave your funds in a 401k, you're restricted by the rules and options provided by your employer's plan. Once you retire or leave the company, you may have to take required minimum distributions or face penalties if you want to access your funds before reaching retirement age. In contrast, an IRA gives you more flexibility in how and when you can access your funds. You can also take advantage of strategic tax planning by rolling over into a Roth IRA if you meet the requirements. But perhaps one of the most important benefits of rolling over your 401k into an IRA is the control you gain over your retirement savings. With an IRA, you're the one making the decisions about where your money goes. There's no middleman, no reliance on a plan administrator. You can diversify your holdings, choose the investment strategies that align with your goals, and adjust as your needs change. This gives you a sense of ownership and empowerment over your financial future. If you're considering rolling over your 401k into an IRA, take the time to research the best options available for you. With the right strategy, this move can set you up for a retirement that offers both security and growth potential. For those of you with over 100K in an IRA or 401k, or even if you're fortunate enough to have 5 million or more saved up, now's the time to take action. By clicking the first link in the description, you'll gain access to the Gold IRA guide that thousands of Americans are already using to protect their wealth. In conclusion, rolling over your 401k into an IRA opens up a wider range of investments, reduces fees, and gives you greater control over your retirement savings. If you're ready to explore all the benefits, especially the potential of a gold IRA, grab your free guide today and take the first step towards securing your retirement.